how to use the queue in Buffer. So first is just simply create a post, and to do that, navigate to the new option or new button here on the top right, then click on post. Then select the accounts that you want to post in. So for me, I'm just going to select LinkedIn right here. So if it's highlighted, it means that it is selected. So I'm just going to type in some random stuff just to basically show you how the process works. So after you're done customizing, adding your content, you just simply need to click on this drop down menu here on the bottom. And there are two queue options that you could pick from right here. So either next available or prioritize. So what next available does is it uses the next available posting slot in your queue. But what prioritize does is it bumps your post to the top of the queue so that it will prioritize whatever you're going to post right here. But if you want to just simply line up your post by just basically queuing it, just simply select the next available option. So I'm just going to use this next available. So I'm just going to click on it, then click on schedule post once you're done. And now as you can see, my post has been created and is now added to the queue. And that is how you basically use the queue in Buffer.